Okay guys, I welcome you all to today's video. This is Qora Digital Cash. Yesterday, I created a video content about a particular asset which I use to give a signal on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, and of course, so many people picked up that signal and they made thousands of dollars with that signal alone. That's so amazing. I got so many messages in my DM. They were so happy. That is the easiest way to go about it. Okay, so it's not just about giving you the signal. I also showed you how I did my analysis, so you guys can also apply the same thing. Okay, so in today's video, if you are here, congratulations to you guys. Okay, in today's video we will be looking at GAINX 800. Okay, we will be looking at GAINX 800. We will be checking it out and see how we can make more profit with this particular strategy. Okay, so let's go straight into it right away. Before I do that, okay, like I said, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so what is GAINX? Okay, GAINX is also a synthetic indices asset, just like we have in Deriv, but this time around GAINX is on another platform. Okay, so but it is also a synthetic indices. Okay, GAINX works exactly the same way like Boom on Deriv. Okay, Boom is also a synthetic the indices on Deriv. Okay, GAINX is also a synthetic indices on the well trade. Okay, so this is very important. So GAINX moves in the same direction or works exactly like Boom on Deriv. Okay, so if you have been looking for another platform to trade boom and crash, then this is another platform. Then okay, don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the link to Deriv in the description box. I'll also drop the link to World Trade also in the description box, so you guys can register with these two brokers. They are my brokers, I mean the brokers which I've been using for some time, and they've really been doing very well. Okay, so you can use any of the two and you can use both of them at the same time. I'm using both platforms at the same time. Okay, so that is it. So let's see what we can do with GAINX. Okay, so this is GAINX 800. I'm on 5 minute time frame. You can see this market structure. Okay, I'm using this mobile strategy. Okay, so you can see this market structure right here. Let me change this to white. I love it when I have it in white. It got to the resistance zone around there. It was unable to break out above it, and if you should notice right here, it also shows that it has overbought, so we should be having a sell signal, but we need to make sure that it is not going to break out from here. So this has actually shown us, or proving it to us, that it's not going to break out from the above resistance zone. So it gave us this M pattern around here, and of course immediately it broke out from here, so I knew it's going to sell more, so it sold more. Okay, so right now it is still selling, so we just need it to break out from this particular spot. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely it is coming down here. Okay, it is coming down there. Okay, so this is going to sell until it gets to this region if it breaks out from there. Okay, and of course it might even give us more selling opportunity. How do I know that? Okay, I'm going to take this to 30-minute time frame. You can see this is 30-minute time frame. I just need it to break out from this particular spot. Once it breaks out from here, so we need it to get to this region which I have highlighted earlier on, but immediately it breaks out from there, then we are most likely to have it around here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you guys can milk the market for a very long time. So before it get there, we expect it to get to this region. If it breaks out from there, okay, then the final region will now be here. Okay, will now be here, so you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right now. Okay, so if you should notice, it gave us this market structure of this. Okay, so that is what we are following at the moment. Okay, so if you follow that, you will make a lot of profit with this. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity today than a buying opportunity. So for those of you that don't like trading spikes in GAINX 800, then definitely this is the right time for you to take advantage of the market. So go into it and make good amount of profit right from there. Okay, so I wish you guys the best. Okay, in case you have any other question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.